Here I have HONOR Magic4 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to change photo resolution in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera. So basically, like in this camera you have only two different resolutions, the one with just like normal photo resolution, which you can access by just entering normal photo mode, and the other one you can access by going to more modes, select high res, which basically just like high resolution. With this mode you can take photos in like more high resolution, in the highest available resolution on this device, and yeah, that's how it is. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.